Here's a 2019 BMW X3.
Whether your instincts lead you to unpaved roads or just down the to-do list, this X3 delivers on what you need.
A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, push-button start, driver memory seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors.
Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seats, and abundant cargo space for its size.
BMW, the ultimate driving machine. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.